Hi all, this is my 1/7 scale 3D printed piston bully 600 Snowcat. And today I just wanted to answer a couple questions about it. I got a lot of questions on the last couple videos. The big ones are people wanted to know more details about how this thing works and how it's constructed. And then also when it's going to be available to download and 3D print. So yeah, let me answer some of those. So this is the controller I use. It's just a cheap controller, 10 channels. In terms of control on this stick, we have lift and lower. This little switch here does the slew of the blade. This switch does the cutting angle. And then this side to side on the stick does the tilt of the blade. So it works really well for pushing snow and sculpting it. This can lift itself up, and yeah, it also has wings, I should mention. These work. So all the functions of a real piston bully blade fully replicated here. In terms of the tracks, these tracks are fully 3D printed, rubber 3D printed belts. Big old sprocket there. We've got brushless motors here. They put out about a little less than a kilowatt each, which means that this has power comparable to like a chainsaw. So in here we have the big old motor controllers that run the motors. And let's see, in this compartment, right now, not too much. Underneath this cardboard thing, there are a bunch of really small motor controllers that control all of these. No programming necessary. They're all just plugged into this receiver here. In the front, we have the battery compartment. You want all your weight up front in a Snowcat. Usually I use 2 of these big 10,000 milliamp hour batteries, and then I actually have a little rechargeable hand warmer I got from Walmart that works really great for keeping those warm when it's pretty cold outside. So yeah, that's pretty much the little tour around the Snowcat. I haven't broken anything on it in a long time, and it can really do real Snowcat stuff. So in terms of getting your hands on the files for this thing and 3D printing it out yourself, as of the release of this video, they are available, but hold on before you go and buy them. The deal is, because it's not done yet, this is gonna have like the cab and just look up what a piston bully 600 should look like. It'll have all of that stuff, the tiller on the back. It's like probably halfway done, but right now it doesn't have any of that stuff. And I'm selling it as is, so you'll get exactly what you see here, minus maybe the stinger, which isn't very useful in this configuration. And yeah, if you buy it now, it'll be $100. You'll get what you see here, and you'll also get access to the full thing when it comes out. So you will get the whole thing eventually at no extra charge, $100. And that might sound steep for a 3D printed model file, but this is a pretty big project, and I kind of want to weed out the people who aren't serious about it. And then I think later on it'll probably just be more expensive. So you will save a little bit if you want to do it early and get this now. The caveats are, number one, the instructions are not going to be as fleshed out. They're going to be pretty basic for it. You'll have the parts list, you'll get the instructions, you'll get all the files you need. You'll have everything you need to build it. But it won't be, like a Lego set or something. It's going to be a little bit more challenging than that. But no programming, like I said before. It should all be pretty plug and play, wire everything up. The other thing is that parts could change. So if I update parts and they're not backwards compatible, when you go to print the cab and the tiller, for example, and things have potentially changed, you might have to reprint parts. Hopefully the electronics will stay pretty much the same because they're working really well. So I don't foresee them changing a lot, but yeah, definitely parts will probably change here. So just know that, and that's kind of what you're getting with the early beta access to this. So yeah, go ahead and check out the link if you're interested to umagine.com. That's where this is for sale. Yeah, I'm really excited about this model. I hope we get some cool people building these and showing them off. I'd be really excited to see that. So thanks.